Hey everybody, okay. I'm in the process of making my fall off the bone baby back ribs, and I just want to point a few things out. I took this out of the oven and there was a lot of liquid, and I just want to warn you, when you don't jerk your ribs out of the oven, because I spilled a little, it was very hot. There's gonna be liquid. I've already drained it off. But these, I put them in about 7 this morning, so they're not fall off the bone yet. But what I'm gonna do, I've got another hour, and I'm actually, this is how I do the sauce. I do a little mixture. This is Dreamland. This is a real, this is a barbecue establishment here in Alabama, and they sell their sauce right there. I put some of this, and then I'm gonna put some of this. This is Bob Gibson's, and it's a sweeter. I just mix. The Dreamland is very savory and spicy. There's no sweetness to the Dreamland. So I just mix. You can use your favorite. But what I do is I rub the sauce very well, and I just do it on the top because you could flip it, but you always want the meat side to be up, okay? So I have got that like this, and now I'm going to put this back in for another hour, and I'm going to loosely, now when you do the long cooking, you do a tight wrap with heavy duty foil, but for the last hour or so, once you put this sauce on, I just do a loose foil, because I'm not trying to enclose it because it's mostly cooked, but I just don't want the barbecue sauce to burn. So for 30-45 minutes, I'm gonna put it in like this, and then the last 15 or so, I'm gonna remove it, and then that will allow the heat to directly hit the barbecue sauce, and it'll give it a good caramel exterior, and if or a good glaze, and you can always add more, but we'll check back and I'll show you the end result.